You have done greater things than this. Take heart and make good use of the opportunity.
Hey. Ezedinobi, our king, has joined his ancestors. The gods are responsible for his death. So he must be brought to the shrine for vultures. His body must not be buried in his home.
Never. Never, Ezemua. My father shall be buried in the palace. I must give my father a befitting burial.
Oh! Okay. I can see tears in your eyes, joy in your heart. Ogidi. You are the next king. Your father did not choose his successor. His death chose you. I bow before you, Your Majesty, my king. Oh!
Your Majesty, I am so happy that you are now the king of Obodeze. And I, the queen.
You made it possible. Without you, I would have been dead by now.
But, Your Majesty, the battle is still on.
Battle?
Yes, battle. There is something left for you to do. You see, Your Majesty, I have been having these terrible dreams about you since you became the king.
My queen, tell me.
It must be a secret between you and I. Your Majesty, the walls have ears.
Then we must take a walk.
In my dream, all the sons of your father including your son, Modo, fought you with a machete.
Fought me?
Yes. You became weak. They killed and cut off your head.
My head?
They cut off your head and carried it around in celebration. And when they returned to the palace, they crowned your son, Modo, the king of Obodeze.
What is the meaning of this dream?
Your Majesty, you know all that you've been through before you became the king of Obodeze. You mustn't take chances.
I must find out the meaning of this dream, Ugeze. But then, what shall I do?
Eliminate all the sons of your father, including your son Modo. And your dear mothers.
You killed your father to become the king of your land.
I killed him.
Someone else will rise from your land with the ambition to rule your people. He will kill you the way you kill your father.
Who? Who is he? Where can I find him?
Oh, Google nowhere. Ask na what a cool one or die beyond. What a brunka toke. Or you pull on. It is not clear to me. But you can find him around you. Oh, Guguike.
Oh, Guguike. Oh, Gugu Damme. Oh, Doni Gugu Ganjibia. When all these troubles around me are over, I shall reward Ogugu. I shall reward Ogugu with 7 human heads.
Ogugu will be with you. Oguike. Ogugu. 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 You can honor.
What did they say?
Ezemo said I have no solution to my problem.
And Ogugu?
Ogugu said I have just one solution.
Which is?
Which is if I can kill him. But he didn't tell me who he is.
It could be one of your brothers. Or your son.
I have to find out. Like you all know, the laws of the land says that a king shall name his successor. I do not have anyone special to my heart.
Why, father?
Because I have equal love for everyone.
Your Majesty, for me, I do not want to be the king. I suggest you give it to your son, Udo.
Any other person? Ikenna, what do you have to say?
Well,
Your Majesty, as for me, I never thought of becoming the king, and I don't want to be. I also suggest that you give it to your son, Modu.
Your Majesty, I want to be the king.
My son Wood, what do you have to say?
Father, I think you should try and know someone special so that you can choose him. As for me, I don't want to be the king.
Wood, what are you doing on my throne?
I will kill the way you killed your father so that I will be the king of Obodeze. I will kill.
Are you insane? Drop the knife! Drop it!
Your Royal Majesty, we have come to sympathize with you for the untimely death of your son, our prince. Take heart, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty, what happened has happened, and there is nothing we can do about it than to bear the loss. Please take heart. But how did it really happen?
My son's death is so painful that I do not want to talk about it. However, thank you all for coming.
Your Majesty.
Yes, sir. I am set.
Mother's mother is telling people that you are responsible for the death of her son.
I do not want to talk about Modo. He is gone, and gone forever.
He's gone for good.
I am not happy I killed my own son. I did it not for the throne, but to save my own life. Take care of yourself. I'll be back before sunset.
You are going alone?
Yes.
What about your guards?
For security reasons. I do not trust any man from this kingdom anymore. Make sure you take care of yourself. I'll see you.
Dikeh. You have killed your only son, but he is not the one you are looking for. Your dream has deceived you. Take heart, my good friend.
Why has Ogugu not been able to show me this my arch enemy?
That I cannot tell. Go home. Fight your battle. Mind you, the road to your victory is a deadly one. You must fight like a lion and a tortoise. Fight like a man.
Your Majesty, I suggest you consult other oracles. Maybe they can reveal the face of this unknown enemy.
I have been to so many places. I have consulted over 9 oracles, and none of them was able to reveal the name of this enemy.
Unbelievable.
I'm losing hope. I do not know what to do anymore. I am afraid I may die very soon.
Your Majesty, you do not have to be afraid. You have to be strong and don't give up. You are a brave man and brave men fight to the end.
Yes, I'm confused.
Your Majesty, you don't have to be confused. I still suspect that the person must be one of your brothers. Your Majesty, you must eliminate your brothers, including their mothers.
Why their mothers?
Because they are young and can still give birth.
Because my father is dead and gone forever.
And what if they take in for another man?
You're right. You may be right.
And the time is now.
Future king. it was revealed to me that one of you here is planning evil against me.
Evil?
Evil. One of you here is planning evil against me and my throne. I have decided to take all of you to the shrine of Ofiamwa, where you will swear to an oath not to nurse evil in your heart against me or my throne.
Your Majesty, I have something to say.
Say no word. Now everyone move to the shrine of Ofiamwa. Future King, follow me. Follow! Move! Move! Get him! Get him! Dikeh! Move it!
Any more attempts, I'll skin you alive.
Move!
Let's go.
I beg in the name of your son, my friend, don't kill me, please. Please, I beg in the name of your son, my friend, don't kill me, please.
Dikeh, where is the child? I can't find him, my king. We must find him. We must find him. Let's go.
Your Majesty, what is it? What happened? Since you returned, you haven't said a word to me.
One number escaped into the forests. We searched everywhere for him, but we couldn't find him.
How could you allow a little child escape? You were so careless. hear yourself? We couldn't catch the little child. Your Majesty, this was the easiest assignment. But you failed. Yet you call yourself a warrior, a brave man, a hero. I am disappointed.
I'm being vindicated by the gods.
Your Royal Majesty, there is something going wrong in this land. And we, the elders and representatives of our 3 clans, must not keep silent. Makana ukinyada no no iwa mwana obere. Elders okuya.
Your Majesty, few days ago, you went out with all the members of your family. And when you came back alone. So, where are the members of your family?
Igwe, we demand for an explanation.
And I have nothing to explain to anyone. They are my family. And I have the right to take them to anywhere. Listen. No one should ask me this question again. Ever again.
You have killed the wrong people again.
Ogugu.
Take heart. You are getting close. The one you are looking for is like a child in the womb. You see the stomach, but you can never tell if it will be a boy or a girl until the day of the belt. Go home. Ogugu is behind you. Ogugu!
You think you can escape from the gods? Your death is near. I say your death is near.
Makanaga monso. Amonso yana. Tubele kana keleze mwonu.
I can't wait for you to rule over this kingdom.
Is he a male child?
Just a wish. Your Majesty, you are not happy.
I am happy.
Before the full moon, I will put to birth.
Is it the 9th month?
Yes, it is. Your Majesty, what are you thinking about?
Nothing, Ugeze. Just that I'm tired. Who am I? Ugeze. Ugeze, what are you doing here? Hey. Hey. Ugeze, what are you doing here? Hey. Hey. Hey, no, don't kill me. I don't want to die. Ah!
Take heart. You are getting close. The one you are looking for is like a child in the womb. You see the stomach, but you can never tell if it will be a boy or a girl until the day of the belt.
You think you can escape from the gods? Your death is near. I say your death is near.
You think you can escape from the gods? Your death is near. I say your death is near. You think you can escape from the gods? Your death is near. I say your death is near.
My queen, you look so beautiful this morning.
Thank you, Your Majesty. And you look happy.
I woke up with joy in my heart.
Really?
Yes.
I am happy you are happy again.
The last time I visited Ogugu, the chief priest said that the enemy I've been looking for is one near the number.
I said it! Your Majesty, I said it!
And he said that the child is still in the forest.
Then go into the forest and get him at once.
My queen, I suggest you join me in the search so that you watch me kill him.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I am tired. Please. I'm feeling sick already. Let's go and come back another day, please.
There is no going back, my queen.
Your Majesty. What has come over you?
The child in your womb may be the enemy I've been looking for.
Your Majesty, why not wait up until the child is born? It could be a baby girl.
Like you always advised, I want to make hay while the sun shines.
Your Majesty, please, Your Majesty.
The enemy you're looking for is still alive.
I have no other person left in my family.
The killer can come from any family. So you must not overlook anyone that is close to you, whether big or small. The killer can be anyone close to you.
Guards! Guards!
Yes, sir. Come on, just.
I thank you for being with me and loyal since I became the king. But you have to go to your homes and start new lives. I want to be left alone.
I have something to say, Your Majesty.
I do not want you to say anything. Go home to your people. Marry if you have the money. If you do not have the money, be a farmer. When I need your services, I will send for you.
You are welcome to my palace. I am the king of Obodeze. From today onwards, see me as your father and your king. You are now part of my family, royal family. No one, I repeat, no one in Obodeze shall refer to you ever again as slaves. Did I make myself clear?
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, my king.
Dikeh. You have done well. Some kegs of palm wine. Come over. Igwe! Elders of Obodeze. Igwe! I greet you all. Igwe! But before we continue with our meeting, I want to use this opportunity to introduce to you those people there. From today, they are now part of the royal family and part of the people of Obodeze.
Your Majesty, we have tradition. These people are slaves. Slaves can never be part of the royal family. It is against our tradition.
Shut up. Shut your dirty mouth, Obiwanne. I am the king, and I have the final say. Sit down. Now listen, all of you. Send this message across the people of Obodeze. Let them know that if I hear anyone referring to those people as slaves, the person shall be put to death. I am the king.
As a warrior, gallant, position it. As a warrior, stand down.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You will be a great man. My boy. Well, let's go.
When I was a little child, before my father sold me, Mother and I used to pass this way.
You are dreaming. I think you should wake up.
I know I'm from this land, but I don't know the particular family I was born into.
And how do you know that?
You see this mark?
Yes.
This is a tribal mark of the people of Obodeze.
You're not sure. Let's be going, you're not sure.
No.
You are not sure. Let's go.
Let me tell you, even the king, our master, has this mark, the same mark.
had 2 wives and a son, but they died. Since then, I have been all alone.
But you should have married again.
There is no perfect woman anywhere. I have been searching. I've been searching for a perfect woman.
But my king, there is no perfect woman.
Now I know. Nevertheless, I have confidence in you as my family. So, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, my king. Thank you.
Oyim? Elders of Obodeze. I invited you here to make my intentions. I have decided to make this boy standing beside me the Prince of Obodeze. He shall reign after me.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. A slave cannot be our king. It is impossible, Your Majesty. It is against our tradition, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. Shut up and sit down. I want that anybody who refers to them as slaves shall be put to death. Onovo, by this time tomorrow, you shall join your ancestors.
Please forgive me, Your Majesty.
Don't speak again. Stand up. Go home and prepare for your death.
Your Majesty, please forgive me for my sake. If you truly love me, that time I'm going to be the king after you.
My son, my prince. For the sake of this little boy, I forgive you. Mana, you better get a back and I can more. Niru ka na agba oke enwe. Ogu to Dikeh murodogu, manodogu na amaroko dike aka. Igwe.
Listen, man. I wonder if the gods are still alive. If they are alive, then how can they be there and watch King Okorona crown a slave, our prince, the prince of Obodeze? Is it possible? Is it possible?
Ezemo, King Okorona is killing our tradition, and the gods must do something to stop him.
Uda so namba no ya namba okuta obili odo agada gbachiri ụzọ odogwu a na-eje ndo ilu na-ebiliri ana na-ebiliri inugo okwu ekwu n'ụzọ nwa ọsịsa. Now listen. Go home. The gods are wise. Go home and obey the king. The will of the gods must ensure. Go home, I said.
Greetings, my king.
My prince. Come. turn around. You will follow me to somewhere. Hmm?
Please, my king, don't kill me. Please, my king, don't kill me.
He kills all of us.
No, he will not kill us. He killed him because of the Obodeze tribal mark at the back of his ear. And I have the same mark too. Look at it.
He will kill you.
That's if he finds out.
Then let's leave.
It's too late to move.
Where is our brother?
My prince, your brother is safe. And he will soon be back.
What is it with the tribal mark?
I don't know. It's the tribal mark of the Obodeze people. You have to stay here. He will not harm you as long as you are not from Obodeze, okay?
Let me come with you, mother.
No. I'll be coming to visit you, okay? Be strong.
You think you can escape from the gods?
Who are you? Who are you?
Your death is near. I say your death is near.
Ejikete dike ara dike ka ọbara zuo dike arụ. Ha, ọ gịnị dịka a na-ekwu? Ọkwa na ahịa egbe eji akpa nni. Mere ha n'ebe ji bụrụ ofu. Anụmanụ ivi na-ekwu. Ogugu na owu ya. The face of the man that will end your life is hidden around your home. Beware of the people of Ubodeze. Just like a stranger, he will come. Ogugu no we ogugu ike. Ogwa ni bi kuru ka na anu.
Walking.
He has gone out of the village. That is why I came. Mother, are you from Ubodeze?
Yes. I'm from Amufu, Ubodeze. Very far from here. But I was married out of Ubodeze to Isi of a village. It's a long story.
My husband sold me because I was unable to give birth to a male child. This is my third daughter. The slave traders found you at the bank of a river. They picked you up and handed you over to me, and I was ordered to breastfeed you. We became families, and here we are today.
Who am I supposed to be?
My son, I have heard a lot about our master, the king. You have to stay with me. Your life is in danger. You have to stay with me in order to be safe. Okay? Stay with me.
No, mother. No, mother. I'm the crown prince of Ubodeze. I am going nowhere. This is my home.
My son, he killed his own son, his blood, killed his beloved wife, and he killed his own brothers. He is evil. You have to stay with me. You have to stay here. Please.
No way, mother. He killed my brother before me. He's going to pay with his life. I swear to the gods of Ubodeze, I will kill him.
The gods are wise, the gods are wise, the gods are wise, the gods are wise. Emmanuel Taligapia, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Puta, Asimo Taligapia, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Puta. Judgment Day, again, Judgment Day. He gets it off ya. He gets it off ya. Alusia de Bunankitio. Alusia de Bunankitio. Onye welunka walusi, alusia welunka boyo. Never. Inyekere poto, ije. Inyekere poto, ije. Nsimu inyekere poto, ije. Inyekere poto, ije. Ife dele. The gods are wise, the gods are wise, the gods are wise, the gods are wise. Emmanuel Taligapia, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Quagina, Oyapia Puta, Asimo Taligapia, Agapia Quagina, Agapia Quagina, Oyapia Puta. Judgment Day, Agap Magina, Judgment Day. He gets sick of ya. Alusia de Bunankitio, Alusia de Bunankitio. Onye welunka walusi, Alusia welunka buoyo neba. Inyekere poto, ije. Inyekere poto, ije. Nsimu inyekere poto, ije. Inyekere poto, ije. Ife dele edego, Ife kule kuokugo. Inyekere poto, ije. 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 Unafuga ejo wasina chia.